Hey, so this is my first video I'm gonna drop on this new channel concerning my E46. You see, I removed the motor because I'm replacing the motor with a 330. So this car is at 325i. This is a rear wheel drive. So I'm replacing the motor with a 330 motor. So it's a 3.0 liter. The one that I took out is a 2.5. So some of the stuff I'm doing on the motor today, I'm drilling and tapping these things so I can put the exhaust stud inside there. So these exhaust stud is some short one, and they're from the E46, I believe. So the 325 2.5 liter engine compared to the 3.0 liter, it's different, meaning the exhaust part. This motor is from 2004, so I don't know if that's a difference, but some of these bolts is missing, and the motor that I took out, it got all these present inside the engine. But on this one, when I'm ready to put the exhaust manifold, I realize it's slightly different. So hopefully this work after I tap these things. I just did this one, and I did this one. So I got 2 more leave on the bank 2, and then I got all 4 leave on bank 1. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about on the next motor. So this is the motor that I took out, and if you can see, they got all holes present inside there, and this had a bad exhaust leak because I couldn't get the bolt in properly. But as you see, he got all the holes that it's supposed to have, and it's just different manifold, that's why. So I'm tapping the next one, 330, and this is a 2.5. Tapping the 330 motor to put the exhaust stud in. Alright, so as I show you the 2.5 liter compared to the 3.0, and these some of the stuff then that I'm using. I don't know if it would focus. It's 316. I'm using a 316 drill bit first, right? Get it all small as I can get it. And then I'm using 1/4 of an inch. Let me try to pull it out. Using 1/4 of an inch and the snap-on gun, as you see. And I make sure mark it with all the with a tape, so I don't go too deep. And I'm just using my snap-on gun, drill gun on it. This aluminum material, so it's soft enough. And then I'm using my tap set, and it's M7. It's 1.0 tread pitch. So I don't know if it can focus, but yeah, this what I'm doing. As I said, is a 7mm. The skinniness, the smallness of the tool. And then the 1.0 is for the tread pitch. So that's what I'm just using to get this thing sorted out. And then I'm about to put the exhaust manifold on, put it back in the car, and then work out some other stuff that I got. That's the manifold that I got, and it's a CX Racing manifold. So far it's no crack, hopefully, but when I soon start running a lot of pressure, a lot of boost, I know it's going to crack one way or another. But yeah, let me just get this thing done, and then we go from there. So all the holes was tapped and threaded. As you can see, I got all holes. Just don't put that one in as yet. I'm gonna do it soon, but this is everything now. I'm about to put on the turbo and see everything go, and then I'm gonna try to put the engine back in the car right away. I had some more update with the car. Put the engine in, put the transmission back in, put the turbo on. The intake is not fully on as yet. Just try to fix a couple stuff. Running the fuel line, that's what I'm doing right now. And what else? So right now I'm doing the exhaust manifold. So I got this little bend right there, and I'm just gonna put a straight to connect that thing together, and then it's checking out the intake after, get the intake properly fixed. So try to remove some stuff to make life a little bit easier. So that's where I'm on right now. So the car been on the lift for quite some time right now, but I'm going to see how far I can get today with this. I weld this V-band, attack weld it onto the turbo, and that's what I'm doing right now. So let's see. Alright, so this is what I got so far. It's not touching. And I'm gonna just weld that thing and pull the pipe out and then weld it together. So far everything looking good.